Assalamu alaikum guys. Now I'll show you how to unlock iCloud unable to if your device unable to load info. Look, after update the client customer forget her password, iCloud password, and iCloud storage unable to loading info. If your phone iCloud storage loading data, we can unlock permanently FMI off. Otherwise, if your iPhone iCloud storage unable to loading info, you can fully bypass MEID with call, GSM with call, fully free, and full bypass notification on off, everything's working, free unlock. Okay, let me check how to process is completed. I will share you step by step. Look, the customer after update forget her password. Also, I will try to reset the password, but it's not possible. Client also open it by iCloud mail without phone number and without Gmail. Look, not open this mail when I send the reset code. If you have same problem, iCloud storage unable to loading info and customer forget her password. First of all, we must be need to jailbreak. If you don't know how to jailbreak iOS 14.4, you can check my description below, have a link how to jailbreak step by step all iOS version. Or if you have more bypass GSM MEID, you can I have a reseller price, wholesale reseller price. Contact us WhatsApp, Facebook, or Instagram to get reseller price. Any Samsung Unlock, Huawei, iPhone, Xiaomi, Vivo, Oppo, Realme, everything, Nokia. We have I have done to jailbreak this device iOS 14.4. Okay, after turn on computer, turn off Windows Defender or antivirus, because this tool are not open if we have Windows Defender on. Open iFRP file. This is best tool for open menu to enable to loading info. Or okay, look, device is connected, SSS connected, it's mean my device is jailbreak done. Go passcode, backup, click on backup. This is important step. If your device not before bypass it first time, this process not working if after before bypass it this device. Okay, I have done backup. Check before, confirm this serial number is backup it or no. Look here, this backup serial number. This is important for open menu unable to loading info. Okay, when I backup completed, make device reset, because you cannot reset by phone. It's showing the iCloud password. Okay, it's take few minutes, process completed. So guys, if you need online supported, more support, wholesale reseller price, iCloud, bypass, GSM, MEID, and Samsung FRP, Huawei, Redmi, Xiaomi, Vivo, Realme, and any box tool activation lock, we have a good reseller price. To get contact, more support, contact us Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp. I skip 4x speed because to make short video it take 5 or 10 minutes to complete process flashing. So guys, if you have any problem, you cannot process completely, you can contact us on Facebook or Instagram. Okay, I have done reset my device. After reset completed, phone start up normally. It's stuck on activation lock. Look, iTunes say accept the activation lock. After device locate reset, after reset done, device will show you stuck on activation lock. Don't worry. Now again make sure jailbreak your device. After jailbreak done, I will show you the last step. You can fully bypass free and without payment. Okay, I will open a checkra. If you are looking first time how to jailbreak, you can description check it my below. You can find a how to jailbreak iOS all version. Okay, I have done jailbreak. After jailbreak completed, turn off computer, turn on computer, then make sure Windows Defender off. Wait, I'll show you step by step. Look, after reset completed, my iPhone 8, its activation lock is stuck. I turn it off Windows Defender antivirus. Okay, after turn off done, open iFRP file, iFRP tool all in one. Make sure this before we backup it, this serial number. This if you save this serial number, you can anytime fully bypass free MEID. If your device MEID also call supported. Check before you have still a serial number on this folder, backup folder. Okay, I have done, also have still a serial number there. We was before backup it. Okay, open iFRP tools, go passcode like before. Go passcode and click active. Wait few seconds, few take also sometime few minutes to process complete. Wait few seconds, sometimes it take minutes to process complete. Okay, done. To active my device, wait for rebooting iPhone. After reboot process done, device will unlock it, fully unlock it with SIM call data and App Store notification. Everything's working. Others way, if again to reset the reset phone anytime, you can unlock fully free. I will show you step now. Okay, after activation done, you can now SIM call if your device also MEID and GSM both supported SIM call. If open menu iCloud unable to loading storage info, I will show you how to prove it's SIM supported or no. Okay, scrolling, look proof. Then I will show you downloading App Store. You know, iPhone bypass have a bypass, have an unthread bypass, have a thread bypass, fully bypass. This process fully bypass and full free without payment. MEID device also supports SIM call data and GSM also. Look, I have set my password and Apple ID. I will show you to downloading one apps like WhatsApp. Yes, done. Yes, downloading application. So guys, if you like my video, you can subscribe.